keeping MongoDB cost-effective in the cloud is challenging, particularly as scaling costs rise and unpredictable fees, including obscure data transfer charges, add to the overall complexity. Percona Operator for MongoDB provides a flexible, enterprise-ready, and cost-effective alternative to MongoDB's community, enterprise, and Atlas operators. As an open-source solution, Percona Operator for MongoDB lets you deploy and manage clusters across multi-cloud and hybrid environments without restrictive licenses or cloud lock-in. Automation is built in, so deployment, scaling, upgrades, and self-healing are handled with ease. No manual intervention. Robust security, including data encryption, SSL, TLS, LDAP integration, and role-based access control keeps your data secure wherever it's deployed. Advanced backup options like physical and incremental backups, plus features like hidden nodes, arbiter nodes, and sharded clusters come standard. MongoDB Community lacks these, and they're costly with Enterprise and Atlas. With Percona, you get flexibility, advanced features, and cost-effective Kubernetes management without vendor lock-in. Take control of running MongoDB in the cloud with Percona.